Hello, my name is Phoebe. I'm a care coordinator at Phoenix Spine and Joint. My job is to connect you with the care that you need. I started at Phoenix Spine and Joint in 2010 and have seen hundreds of patients who are in your shoes looking for a solution for their spine or joint pain. My favorite part of this job is that I get to come alongside you in this journey from the beginning to the end. I've had patients who haven't been able to pick up their grandkids in years or golf without pain, but after surgery, they've been able to do just that. We have the best doctors in the Valley who specialize in minimally invasive procedures or treatments to help alleviate your pain. I'm happy to assist you with getting started. The first step is a call with me. I start the call by listening to your journey with this pain. I may ask a few clarifying questions, like how long has this happened, and then also the different treatments that you've done. I can help you get started with a clinic visit, order imaging, or schedule surgery if needed. I am your direct contact at Phoenix Spine and Joint. Feel free to call me at 602-385-0435. I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon.